Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to YouTube channel Cloudy Malakan. Today is 4th of August 2019 Sunday. In this video we will share Saudi Riyal price rates. So let's get started. First of all, we will say about Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank gave 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,703.70 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.30 rupee and for Philippines 13.54 peso. Pauri Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,665.60 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.36 rupee and for Philippines 13.56 peso. Arab National Bank ANB Money gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,448.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.49 rupee and for Philippines 13.44 peso. Al Rajhi Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,649.63 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.38 rupee and for Philippines 13.44 peso. After this we will say about Express Money, that what is the rate of Express Money. So the Express Money gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,649.63 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.38 rupee and for Philippines 13.44 peso. Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3,738.80 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.81 rupee and for Philippines 13.54 peso. MoneyGram gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate 3,697.68 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.31 rupee and for Philippines 13.59 peso. In the last we will say about Riyadh Bank rate, that what is the rate of Riyadh Bank for Indonesia. So Riyadh Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 2,906.97 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.20 rupee and for Philippines 13.56 peso. So these are the latest rates of Saudi Riyal for different currencies. Watch this video and subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.